the other one that you're thinking about had yellow eyes, yellow.
I'm holding her. Take her. No. Take her. No.
What's poppin', TV gang? How are y'all doing today? Today we're gonna be working on some Crocaine inspired nails. If you have no idea who that is on Instagram, you should definitely check her out. Her art is so different, and I was really inspired to create these nails by her. So a little bit of a background story on these nails. I made these to go on vacation with my family. We all packed our bags and went to Florida for a little, I guess kind of sort of a long weekend. And these gotta be probably like the most ghetto nails, or the most ghetto video actually, that I ever think I put together. Because what happened was, I got the idea for these nails, made them at like 2 o'clock in the morning, and when I was rushing, right? We had to leave at like 6 a.m. So made the nails, made my way to my mom's house at like 4 in the morning. And when I finally got them done, I packed them up, took them with me to put them on in my mom's house. And guys, you know what happened? I lost one of the pinky nails, so I couldn't even get like a proper picture. But I'm gonna insert some of Crocaine's Instagram posts so that you guys can kind of see the feel for the inspiration that I had. But I'm gonna do some more like Crocaine inspired sets just because I really love like her style. So I'm gonna do like an official kind of Crocaine inspired set. I'm gonna put a lot more thought into it, and I'm gonna also plan out the video concept a lot better, just so that I can do it justice and really do a really great design. But yeah, you guys didn't see me do my regular prep on these nails because I did them prior to filming. I just went in and showed you my base coat and primer combo at the very beginning. And then I went in with 2 polishes from the Femi Beauty Expert Collection. The lighter color on the tip is called Shining Star, and the nude kind of nail bed color, I think it's called Pop Tart. I went in with the 2 of those, and I'm doing like a jelly ombre. You guys have seen me do something like this before in my trying a TikTok nail trend video, so if you missed that, I will go ahead and link it in the cards. But I basically just kind of ombre them together in the middle. These colors are super easy to ombre together because they're jelly. So I basically just did 2 coats of the regular ombre and then 1 coat of the nail bed color like right over it, because I just wanted it to blend together really well, you know? So that's just what you see me doing here. It was super easy, super quick, and it's just the foundation for the rest of the art that we're going to be doing. Now I'm going in and I'm doing some airbrush. And if you look at Crocaine's art, she really loves kind of like the airbrush style and little kind of hints of airbrush here and there. I don't see her do very many I don't know what I'm trying to say, but basically she likes like the 90s kind of vibe, the airbrush vibe, so I decided to incorporate that into some of the set as well. So I'm taking just random kind of splotches of color and putting them just on one side of the nail just to add something to the background on this nail. One thing that I appreciate about her nail art is all of it kind of looks like really layered. It looks like it took a lot of steps. It looks like it took a lot of time, but it also looks effortless at the same time. So I was really trying to emulate that in the set that I created, and it's something that I will also emulate in my future Crocaine inspired sets as well. So this is what we have so far. You guys can kind of see what I mean by like the layered look. I literally just put it in one side of the nail, and it's going to serve as like just something extra in the background for the next step. And for the next step, I'm going to be taking these holographic butterfly stickers, and I'm basically just matching the color of the butterfly with the color of the airbrush and just placing it kind of mirrored on each of the nails. That's why I have them next to each other like this. And guys, I did something so dumb. I mirrored like every design on the nails on both hands so they could be kind of like facing each other. But when I actually put them on, I did them like mix matched, like, because I told you guys I was rushing when I made these and when I put them on too. So that was kind of like a little oopsie, but they still did come out really, really cute in my opinion. So now I'm going to be taking these little star glitters and placing one on each of the nails. I do end up going back and placing another one of these in another part of the nail, which I left off camera, because you guys can basically just see how I'm doing it here. You don't need to see it twice. I just went ahead and put a little layer of base coat over the entirety of the nail and then just stuck the glitter in the base coat. And then once I top coated it, it was pretty like even. It wasn't really sticking up off of the nail or bothering me or anything like that. So these glitters were small enough to do that design and then not have it be like uncomfortable to wear. So now I'm taking my white gel polish and I'm adding some lines. I don't know what you would really call these lines. Whenever I see them, they remind me of like a pond or something, or like a kind of like fairy vibe, I guess, or like a jungle vibe. Kind of like grass, I guess, but I'm just placing 3 in the corner of the nail like this. I really, really want to get better at drawing lines like this because there's just a certain way that they look. And I just haven't quite mastered it yet. It's probably just gonna take some practice. But do you know what do you guys know what I mean? Like, there's just a certain way that they look, especially like the way that the artist that inspired this set does them. There's just a certain way that they end up coming out, and they just look so like soft and nice. And I really need to work on getting mine to look like that as well. So once I was done with that, I'm adding some dots now, and everything from this point on is basically me just trying to make these nails cuter, trying to give off the croquet vibe, the 90s vibe, the freestyle nails vibe. So that's just why you see me going ahead and adding these dots. And then I go ahead and continue on to do some more airbrush work. I add another little gold star, and I also added like a line of glitter in there too. So I hope you guys like this video. I know it was a little like ratchet, but like I said, I was rushing a lot when I did these nails. I did make these airbrush stencils myself. Please don't yell at me, you guys. The airbrush Cricut stencil tutorial will be coming soon. I just need to figure out how to film it. Like, I need to set aside a whole day just to figure out exactly how I'm gonna film that video, and it's coming, I promise. I know I've been saying that all of August, but it's coming, so just please bear with me. But yeah, you guys, this is nothing new really. Like I said, I go in and I cure this, I add another little star glitter, and then I go in to add a silver line, and I did add like just some little insignificant bling, to be honest, off camera. And that's basically the design. Stay tuned to the end if you want to see me complete this design, and also if you want to see a little mini vlog of the first couple of days in Florida. I'm actually still here. I'm having a great time with my family. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Don't forget to give my video a like so that it gets recommended to more divas like you. Leave me a comment letting me know what you thought of the design and what color scheme you think I should use for my next croquet inspired design, because there will be more coming. Okay, sis, I'm gonna do her justice, and that's just that one, period. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you click that bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload. And that's pretty much it, Diva Gang. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.